How to recover Poste Italiane account credentials. Open any browser of your choice. Tap on the search bar. Type in Poste Italiane account sign in. Search for it and you can see various links. Tap on this link provided by Poste Italiane itself. You'll be led to the sign in interface. In order to recover your account credentials, tap on the option Recover your username or password. You'll be led to the Recover your credentials interface. Enter your details over here. Enter the tax ID code. Once you do that, enter the phone number over here. You can also select the country code by tapping on the field for country code. Tap on the country of your choice. Enter the mobile number over here. Once you do that, check on this option, I'm not a robot. After you do that, scroll down. Tap on the option Continue. Now in the next interface, you'll have to select the recovery method. You can find the options like SMS and call center. Tap on the option of your choice, get the OTP. Enter the OTP in another interface. Once you do that, your account credentials will be recovered. Like this, you can recover Poste Italiane account credentials. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.